Now that the case is made, it's time to fill it up. To cut the glass, I first make a template out of plywood. One trick I learned to cut glass is put a drop of 3-in-1 oil on the cutting wheel and to make one continuous score line without stopping. To hold the glass in, I use double-sided tape and a few drops of glue on the pre-finished walnut stops. Now I use 1/4 inch foam board as the backdrop to the display. Again, using double-sided tape, I use some blocking to hold it so it will contact the back. This way it'll be a perfect fit. On a second piece of signboard, I lay out how the metals and the photos will be spaced. This will be the mat. Once I had the layout just the way I wanted it, I used the mat cutter to cut the openings. The mat cutter gives me nice square corners with a 45-degree cut. Now to give the whole display some depth, I use strips of the signboard to build up the mat. I paint any edges that might show black. For the photos, I made a collage in Photoshop to make it easier to mount. I use a glue stick to mount the mat. Can you see the depth that this creates? I hope this video inspired you to create a treasured memory of your father or grandfather who so bravely defended our freedoms. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to see more. If you missed part 1, follow the link below.